Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you one of the admin control feature, which is nothing but dataset security. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get started. First step, how to enable the dataset security. To enable the dataset security, you should have admin access. Go to settings, go to admin portal and choose the tenant settings. Scroll to the bottom and you will see an option called dataset security, and here the feature is block, republish and disable package refresh. By default this is disabled, so here it says only the dataset owner will be allowed to publish updates. This includes deployment pipeline dataset updates. Let's see what is happening right now before we enable this option. Okay, I have a user called Ritu and he is the dataset owner for this particular dataset called Contosa Sales. And I have another user called user1 and he wants to do some changes on the same dataset Contosa Sales. So he has done the changes in the Power BI desktop and he wants to publish it into the same workspace. So he is trying to publish, selecting the same workspace, and here it is popping up to replace this dataset. He is saying replace. Okay, here you can see success, which means user 1 can modify the datasets. Let's go to user 1 portal and let's see who is the owner of the dataset right now. So I'm going to the same workspace, going to the settings. The dataset owner is still Ritu, but still user 1 can publish the updates to the same dataset. So let us go to the deployment pipeline. So I have a deployment pipeline created and Ritu and user 1 both are having access to this deployment pipeline. So we have a same dataset which is placed here, and same dataset is already there in the next workspace called the test workspace. So if I go to text workspace as a user 1, and here you can see we have the same dataset. If I see again the owner is Ritu, because the same dataset, and Ritu has done the deployment pipeline, so he has moved the this dataset from development to test. So since he moved first time, so he is the owner of the dataset. So again deployment pipeline, go to same deployment pipeline, and now I'm in user 1. User 1 is selecting this dataset and deploying it to test workspace. Okay, here you can see deployment completed, which means user 1 still can deploy the changes from development workspace to test workspace even though he is not an owner of that dataset. Let's go back to the settings. So here I am in the dataset security settings. I am going to enable the settings. Once I click apply, here you can see tenant settings changes will apply within next 15 minutes. This is the message, but still you can check it after applied immediately. So now again I'm going with Power BI dataset in Power BI desktop. So again I have logged in as user 1. So user 1 has done few more changes on top of the same dataset and he wants to publish it again to the same Power BI workspace. Still remember the dataset owner for this Contosa Sales is Ritu. So he is trying to replace the dataset and he got an error message. Sorry, you don't have access to publish to this workspace. Please contact the owner for access. Which means user 1 is not able to republish the datasets to the same workspace where he is not owner of the dataset. Let us go back to the deployment pipeline. And I'm just selecting the deployment pipeline again, choosing the same dataset, and I'm deploying to test workspace as user 1. Here you can see we got the error message, can't start the deployment. The deployment will overwrite some datasets in the destination workspace. You must be the owner of that any dataset that will be overwritten. So since user 1 is not the owner of the dataset, so he got this error message. So this is how actually that dataset security is working. So only dataset owners can republish the datasets from Power BI desktop and also through deployment pipelines. Here one thing you need to understand. So I'm again going back to the deployment pipeline. So just for a demo, I'm just deleting this dataset. User 1 has access to the workspace called test1. User 1 went to the workspace, test workspace. He can see there is no dataset called Contosa sales. So he is going to deployment pipeline and going to the same deployment, and this time he is trying to choose the same dataset. So still he is not owner of this dataset which is there in development workspace, and he wants to deploy this to test workspace. Just deploy. Here you can see deployment completed, which means user 1 can deploy any user's dataset to the new user workspace. So which means he is not overwriting anything here on the destination workspace. He is trying to take other owners dataset and he is publishing into a workspace where we don't have that datasets already. So let's go to another discussion. How this dataset securities works when we try to use external tools. User 1 is going to Power BI desktop and he is trying to open the external tool tabular editor. At this time he wants to publish the changes through tabular editor instead of Power BI desktop. Let's see whether that is possible or not. So he has created a measure in the Power BI desktop which is available here. He wants to deploy these changes into Power BI service. You can choose deploy, get the connection string from the workspace, go to premium, copy this, paste the connection string here, authentication Windows integrated or Azure AD. I'm going with Azure AD. Just click next, and I'm going to log in as user 1, and user 1 can see all the datasets. So we want to choose Contosa sales here. Next, I want to deploy the model structure. Just next, deploy. So here deployment is succeeded. Here you can see Matrix BI deployment succeeded. So which means user 1 can deploy the changes which he has made on the Power BI desktop or dataset through tabular editor or any other external tools. So when we use external tools, this particular dataset security is not applied. So this dataset security is applied only when you try to republish the dataset from Power BI desktop and deployment pipelines. One last point, in case if you still want to deploy the changes, even though if you are not a owner of the dataset, you can still do that. Go to your workspace, go to the dataset, and here you can see the owner of the dataset is Ritu. So if you still want to apply the changes on the same dataset, you can just take over. So now you are the owner of the dataset. Now deploy the changes from the Power BI desktop. This time it will success because you are the owner of the dataset. So that's how you can handle in case if the dataset owner is not available and you still want to do the changes. You can take over the dataset and you can publish the changes. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and share it with your colleagues. Thanks for your support.